Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Confidence. This is day 10 of 30-day challenge series for learning English. Today I'm going to talk about wonderful vocabulary that is used in daily conversation. Trust me, the vocabulary that I'm going to share with you today, people use it very often. And that's why I want you to be aware of the meaning of frequently used vocabulary. So without wasting time, let's get started. First is a shot in the arm. It means something that encourages you. In other words, a strong positive influence which gives you encouragement or energy. For example, I'm sure his success story is gonna give you a shot in the arm. Another example, winning this prestigious award has been a big shot in the arm for the students. Second is a pat on the back. It means if you give someone a pat on the back, it means you praise them for something they have done. Yeah. For example, you have done a great job and you deserve a pat on the back. Third is to burn the midnight oil. It means to work very hard or to work for long hours in the night. For example, it's a very hard assignment and I have to burn the midnight oil to get it completed on time. Fourth is to work for peanuts. It means to work for a very small amount of money. For example, my boss is very cheap and we have to work for peanuts. Why do you work for peanuts? You need to tell your boss to increase your salary. Fifth is by leaps and bounds. It means very quickly or rapidly. For example, EdTech companies are growing by leaps and bounds this year. You are progressing by leaps and bounds. Another example, your English is improving by leaps and bounds. Sixth is set an example. It means to behave in a way that someone can copy you. For example, you should set an example for your younger brother. Another example, if two nations join together and live in peace, they will set an example for the rest of the world. Seventh is in a jiffy. If you say that you will do something in a jiffy, it means you say or you will do something very soon or in a very short time. For example, I'm waiting for you, get ready in a jiffy. Another example, I will be back in a jiffy. It means very soon or in a very short time. Eighth is as you sow, so shall you reap. It means if you do good things in the past, you will get good results in the future. But if you do bad things in the past, you will get bad results in the future. As you sow, so shall you reap. Ninth is where there is a will, there is a way. I'm sure you might have heard it many times. Where there is a will, there is a way. It means if you have strong desire to do something, so you will definitely find the way to achieve it. So it is truly said, where there is a will, there is a way. 10th is feather in one's cap. In place of one's, you can use my, his, her, our. So feather in one's cap means an achievement to be proud of. For example, his appointment to this higher post is a feather in his cap. Today I discussed with you idioms and proverbs that people use very often in their conversation. So at the end of this video, I want to tell you that I am really working very hard to provide you quality content. Yeah, I am doing everything by my own. For example, editing, creating quality content, and even today I put my best foot forward to make this video interactive by using graphics or images. So I hope this video is gonna help you and you are learning a lot and you are enhancing your vocabulary. I want you to do one thing for me. Like my videos. Yes, your likes give me a shot in the arm. Your likes encourage me to make more videos. And don't forget to give your valuable feedback, yeah, in the comment section. I love reading your comments. And thank you so much for your support. And I think this is enough for today. I will be back with another video. You take care of yourself. Bye bye.